Good morning, everybody. We discussed determinants of properties, what is determinant, how to find determinant in the last class. Now we will do some exercise, some sums means numericals from your textbook, how to apply these properties or how to find the determinant practically in our exercise. Exercise 3D. Exercise 3D. First Roman, first one. First Roman, first one. 2, 1, 1 minus 5. Find the determinants of the following. 2, 1, 1 minus 5. Find the determinants of the following. Find the determinants of the following. Just find the determinants. If it is 2 by 2, what I told? 1 by determinant equal to ZTA. For a 2 by 2 matrix is what I told, AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Simple technique I told, this into this, minus this into this. So 2 5s are 10, minus 10, minus this into this, 1 1 ja 1. So minus 10, minus 1, minus 11 is determinant value. Minus 11 is determinant value. If it is 2 by 2, then simple ZTA equal to, what is the formula I told? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So, this into this minus this into this. Simple. Like this you can find 2 by 2. But 3 by 2 what I told? 3 by 3. 3 by 2 you can't find determinant. So, determinant you can find only for square matrices I told. Determinants you can find only for square matrices. So, how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix? If it is 3 by 3 square matrix or 4 by 4 square matrix, more than 2 whatever may be, how to find I told. Take any row or column, multiplied by their corresponding cofactors, and then added together gives you the determinant. Then added together gives you the determinant I told. So we will take one example from that also. Now, next one. Fifth bit. First Roman. First में fifth bit. Same sum. See. 1 4 2. 2 minus 1 4 minus 3 7 6. Find the det. Find the det. Means if it is A, he is asking det A equal to how much? Det A equal to how much? So for det A what I told? Take any row or column multiplied by their corresponding cofactors. If I am taking first row for example, then 1 into its corresponding cofactor. So minus 1 whole power I plus j always will get positive, it will be shortcut, plus minus plus you will get minus 1 whole power I plus j. So plus minus plus, so first one is plus only. So close that row, that column, close this row, this column, then det formed by the remaining elements, this into this, minus this into this. So minus 6, minus 7 4 are 28. Closing this row and this column, this row and this column, remaining elements are minus 1 4 7 6. So this into this minus 6 minus 7 into 4 28. So this is first element. Next plus minus I told. So keep minus. This is second element is 4. Now take that row, leave that row, that column. So leaving this row, this column. Left out elements are 2 4 minus 3 6. 2 4 minus 3 6. So closing this row, this column. Left out is 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12, this into this, minus this into this, minus of minus plus 12, 4 3s are 12. This is minus 3 into 4, minus 12, minus of minus automatically plus 12, again plus 2 into, so plus 2 into, again closing this row, this column, so 2 means here is the element, so closing this row, this column, left out is this, 7 2s are 14, minus, 14 minus, this is minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 only. So 3. 14 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 28 minus 6 means minus 34. Minus 34. This is 12 plus 12, 24. 24 4 ja. How much? 96. Minus 96. And this is plus 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 2 ja. 22. Calculation part you take it. 22. So this is equal to minus 34 minus 96. How much? 100, 130. Minus 130 plus 22 minus 108. Minus 108. Like this you can do for a 3 by 3 matrix. Next, one more of the same kind we will discuss. First में ninth bit. A is equal to this, find det A. Find det A. Same sum. So det A equal to, so take any row or any column. So I am taking as usually always. No need to take first row. Your choice. I am taking first row. That's it. Now, first row, first element is A. Plus minus plus I told. So plus only. Into closing this row, this column. BC minus A square. BC minus A square. Next, plus minus I told. Minus B into closing B is here. So this row, this column. So B square minus AC. B square minus AC. B square minus AC. Next, plus C into closing this row, this column becomes AB minus C square. AB minus C square. So this is equal to ABC minus AQ. ABC minus AQ. Minus BQ minus into minus plus ABC. Again plus ABC minus CQ. So the final result is minus if I take common. Minus if I take common, I will write no problem. ABC plus ABC, 3ABC. 3ABC minus AQ minus BQ minus CQ. If you want to take minus common, that becomes AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. That is what I want to say. No problem. Write down 3ABC minus AQ minus BQ minus CQ. So easy to remember is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC minus half. That's why I told you to take minus half. Now, and remember this result because you will get this result in many of the objective sums as well as your 7 marker sums. Actually this determinant is, there is 7 marks previously, but this year determinant properties, applying properties means there is no 7 mark question from this determinants for this year, only for this COVID year. Actually this is 7 marks questions, determinants are. So remember this result, it is very much useful. Det of ABC, BCA, CAB is minus of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. Minus of, if I take minus common, minus of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. Minus 3ABC. So you can remember this result, very much useful. Next, one more sum. If A equal to 1000234, 5 minus 6x and det A equal to 45 is giving 5x. So you will find det and make it equal to 45, that's it. So det A equal to, take first row because 2 zeros are there. So if I take this row, 1 into closing this row, this column, 3x minus of minus plus 24. 3x minus this, minus of minus again this is minus 24, 6 4 jar. So minus of minus plus 24 is equal to, is giving it as 45. Is equal to, is giving it as 45. So 3x equal to plus 24 goes to that side. 45 minus 24. So becomes 3x equal to 21 and x is equal to 3 7 ja or 21 by 3 you can write 3 7 ja. Implies x is equal to 7. Is asking to find x only. So x is equal to 7. Like this you can solve. So all these are 2 marks are there. Actually only 7 markers are deleted for this year. 7 markers. Now we will discuss 7 markers, how to apply the properties. At least 4-5 sums we will discuss 7 markers, then you will get an idea how to apply the properties. Now we will discuss some 7 markers which are not there for this year but very important for objective and for doing remaining sums also you need these determinant properties. So how to apply the properties we will see. Here show that B plus C, C plus A, A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, ABC equal to AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is asking to prove. For this there are 2 ways. One is direct determinant, that is very lengthy process. Now I told properties, how to apply the properties. Almost all the 7 markers will do using 5th property only I told. What is the 5th property? multiplied any row or column by k, then added to some other row or subtracted from some other row, there will be no change in the determinant. That is unaltered, I told. If any row or column, fourth or fifth property, I did not remember, properties, numbers are not needed. Property what I told is, if any row or column is multiplied by a scalar k, then added or subtracted to any other row or column, its det is unaltered, I told. Its det is unaltered, means not changing. So using that, I will multiply this R3, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So I will multiply this R3 with -1, then add it to second row. Add it to second row. So that that is unaltered. That is unaltered. So not changing. So I will take second row and making changes to second row. So this is R2. Tends to what change I am doing? R2 is going to be added with -1 into R3. So -1 into R3. So R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3 means I am multiplying R3 with -1, then add it to R2. So becomes R2 tends to R2 minus R3. So R2 tends to R2 minus R3 gives you first row as it is B plus C, C plus A plus B. And from the second row, I am doing R2 minus R3 means A plus B minus A. A cancels, left out is B. Like B plus C minus B. B plus C minus this we are doing. So B plus C minus B. BB cancels, A left out. Sorry, BB cancels, C left out. Next, C plus A minus C. C cancels, A left out. A left out. Now the last row as it is. I am not changing any changes. I am not doing any changes to third row. So I am writing as it is. It is ABC. It is ABC. So that it is not changing. I am not changing the det, just applying the properties. Same, I will apply this time. R2 I will multiply with -1, added to R1. Added to R1 means I am making changes to R1. I am making changes to R1. What I am doing? R1 tends to R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 means I am multiplying R2 with -1, then added to R1. Then added to R1. No change in the det. There is no change in the det at all. So B plus C minus B becomes C. BB cancels C. C plus A minus C. C cancels A. A plus B minus A. A cancels B. A cancels B. Now second row as it is. B, C, A. A, B, C. A, B, C. Now find the det. What do you get? Find the det. What do you get? C into closing the first row I am taking. C into closing this row, this column. C square minus AB. C square minus AB. Plus minus means minus A into BC minus A square. BC minus A square. Plus B into B square minus AC. B square minus AC. So what do you get? C into C square. C cube. Next. Minus A into minus A square. Plus A cube. Next. Plus B into B square. Plus B cube. Now, minus ABC. Minus ABC. Minus ABC. If I open the brackets, I will get 3ABC. I will get 3ABC. That is what you need to prove. Hence prove. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS you will get. So if you open the brackets, then you will get A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC you will get. And before that, before going for next sum, I will tell you small thing. If I interchange these two rows, R1 interchange with R2. If I interchange these two rows, first row becomes ABC, last row becomes CAB. ABC, BCA, CAB, previous sum. Previous 2 marker, right? We discussed it. What is that? Minus of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3AB I told. If I interchange rows, becomes column and this row comes to here, this row comes to here. 2 rows interchange. That is changed by negative sign. So minus of minus plus. Observe, we got a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. There we got minus of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So both the dates are same. Just these two rows are interchanged. If two rows are interchanged, that is changed by sign is the one property I told. So this is how we'll apply the properties to the 7 marker sums. To do the 7 markers simply instead of doing lengthy process. One more sum we will discuss. Fourth sum, second problem. If delta of a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube equal to 0. Is giving its let is 0. And a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is not equal to 0. Then show that abc equal to minus 1. Then show that a into b into c equal to minus 1. abc equal to minus 1. So we need to apply the properties to do this. First property, here what is the first I want to apply is, according to our fifth or sixth property, if any row or column is sum of two elements, if any row or column is sum of two elements, then you can split into two separate bits. So this column is having sum of two elements, so I can split into two separate bits. So I can write like this. Given that I can write a, b, c as this, a square, b square, c square as this. Now here sum of two elements I have, so I can separate it 1, 1, 1 plus first two columns as this, a, b, c, a square, b square, c square. Now a cube, b cube, c cube. Like this. If any row or column is sum of two elements, you can write as two separate dates I told. So you can separate these two as this. Now this is according to our fifth property. So I am splitting into two separate dates. Now after that, here I can take a common, here I can take b common, here I can take c common. A common, b common, c common. So according to our third property, what I told, any row or column is having some k, you can take that k common in the third property. So according to that property, so I can take a common here, b common here, c common here. This date as is I will write. A square 1, b square 1, c square 1. This is not equal to 0 he gave, that's why as is I am writing this. Now from this date, from the first row I can take a common. So this becomes 1a square. From the second row I can take b common, 1b square. And from the third row I can take c common, 1c square. 1c square. Equal to 0 he himself gives, so I am writing as this. Now if I interchange these rows or columns, I need to get this. So I will interchange the columns. I need a square, b square, c square here, and I need 1, 1, 1 here, a, b, c here. So I will interchange these two first. C1 interchanging with C2. So that according to our sixth property, if any two columns are interchanged, that is changed by sign. That is changed by sign. According to our sixth property, if any two columns are interchanged, then that is changed by sign. So I will change these two columns so that I will get negative sign here. So what happens? And don't remember the property numbers. Remember the properties, not the numbers. Numbers are not at all important. I did not tell you not in proper order also. So numbers are not important, but properties are very important. So here the property is, if any two columns or any two rows are interchanged, then that is changed by sign. This is the property. It may be sixth property or seventh property. Number is not important. As I gave, it is sixth property. So changing these two columns. So I am going to change C1 with C2, interchanging C1 interchanging with C2. So interchanging symbol is like that. C1 interchanging with C2. If I interchange the two columns, I will change by that is changed by sign. So So this debt becomes minus. So I will write minus here. Remaining part as it is. So this implies this part as it is a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus this plus becomes minus because I am interchanging the two columns. So a b c. So I interchange these two columns. I will get a b c here, 1 1 1 here, a square b square c square here. This is equal to 0 himself here. So this now if I interchange c2 with c3, if I interchange second column with third column, then again it will change by sign. If two columns are interchanged or two rows are interchanged, so I would like to interchange these two. So that is c2 interchanging with c3. This is interchanging symbol. So c2 interchanging with c3. You need to write the property also. So according to that property, again it will change by sign. So becomes minus of minus plus abc. So that final rate becomes a square 1, b square 1, c square 1, minus of minus plus it is now abc. First column as it is. Now I am interchanging second with third. So this row column becomes a square, b square, c square, and the third column becomes 1 1 1. Now from these two I can take this part common. So if I take delta of a square 1, b square 1, b square 1, c square 1, if I take it as common, left out here is this part is taken common, 1 is left out. Here this part is taken common, abc is left out. 1 plus abc, this part equal to 0. Since this part is not equal to 0, himself giving this is not equal to 0. Since this part is not equal to 0 is saying, so this part must be 0. Implies 1 plus abc equal to 0. Since he is giving, in the sum itself he is saying this is not equal to 0. A square 1, b square 1, c square 1 not equal to 0. Since this is not equal to 0, this part must be 0. 1 plus a plus abc equal to 0. Implies abc equal to plus 1 goes to that side, minus 1. abc equal to plus 1 goes to that side, minus 1. Observe the whole sum without expanding, only using properties. Without expanding any row column, just using properties I finished the sum. Just using properties. 4, 5, 6. Even third property also used by taking common. So 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 properties I used in the sum. In one sum I used 4 properties and I finished the sum. Observe. So this is how we will apply the properties to do the long sums. SI type sums we can do using properties very easily. Very easily we can do. Remaining we'll discuss in the next class.